Just imagine your home and the only ingredients that you have are these. And now today, I'm going to make something really delicious with these ingredients. Hello everyone, Aliz is here, and without wasting any time, let's go! Chicken breast, the best part of a chicken, and some other kind of animals. Yep, and before anything else, you have to season it with some pepper, salt, paprika, some fresh garlic, and yeah, that's enough. But before seasoning, you have to cut it in smaller pieces. Seasoning time, and I'm going to start with the salt. Now it's time for some black pepper. Paprika smell is amazing. Don't forget to add some paprika. Shh, the secret of a great food is always fresh garlic. Do not forget that. It's really cute. I love it every time. Massaging time. Don't forget to massage your chicken breast. They will need that. I say it in every single cooking video. Be generous and season both sides. And of course, massage both sides. They will need that. Let the chicken breast rest. And in that time, prepare the oven dish for yourself. I'm not crying, I'm just cutting some onions. Ow. Now just spray some oil before adding the onions. Add some paprika on the onions. Now it's time to cut some tomato and put it on the onions.
Wow, I like it. The color is lovely, and don't forget to add some salt on the tomato. And next step is adding some breast. Yeah, the breast is added. Now it's oven time. The colors are lovely and it looks gorgeous. Just look. Isn't it lovely? It is. Let's add some cheese. Time to back to oven for about 5 minutes. It's finally ready. It seems lovely. And I cannot wait to see if it tastes lovely or not. Cheers to all of you. Wow. It's delicious. It's juicy, spicy, and everything is great. Just make it. Don't ask any question, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in other videos. Bye bye.